The mighty Himalayas that separate the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau gives India enchanted views like this. Kanchenjunga, world's third highest peak and perhaps the most beautiful one to witness. Embarking on a tea trail to Darjeeling, the land of the finest tea in the world, throws at you not just lush green acres after acres of tea gardens, but meandering valleys, dense forests, some tough trekking routes, ever smiling people, and pristine nature, where you come to re energize yourself. Follow me and my fellow traveler, traveling through Darjeeling, almost during the same time, visiting nearly the same destinations, but never meet each other.